In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder on monday.com. Whether you're a seasoned monday.com user or just getting started, organizing your workspace can make a big difference in your productivity. Let's walk through the steps to create a folder and streamline your workflow. First, you'll want to navigate to the monday.com homepage. This is your command center for all things related to your project management. Opening the homepage is like opening the door to your office. It's where you can see all your ongoing tasks, boards, and overall project structure. Once you're on the homepage, you're ready to begin. The next step is to click on the Add Item button. Imagine this as your tool for building and expanding your workspace. It's usually located towards the top of your workspace, indicating that you can add new elements to your project management setup. Clicking here will give you a variety of options, allowing you to add new boards, items, and more. After you click Add Item, you will see different options pop up. Here you want to focus on the Folder option. This is the key to organizing multiple boards under a unified category. Folders in monday.com are like file cabinets. They help you group related boards together so you can access everything you need quickly and efficiently. So click on Folder to start creating a new space for your related boards. Once you've selected Folder, it's time to personalize it with a name. Renaming your folder is a crucial step, as it helps you and your team identify what the folder contains at a glance. Think of a name that accurately reflects the content or purpose of the boards you plan to store in it. A clear, descriptive name goes a long way in maintaining clarity and order within your projects. You simply click on the default folder name and type in the new name you want. And that's it! You've successfully created and named a new folder on monday.com. Now with your new folder, you can drag and drop related boards into it, keeping everything neat and accessible. This feature is particularly helpful when managing multiple projects or when you have several boards related to a single client or department. It's an effective way to keep your workspace tidy and focused. To wrap up, creating folders in monday.com is a simple process that greatly contributes to maintaining order and efficiency in your workflow. Once you've set up your folders, remember to regularly review and update them as your projects evolve to ensure your workspace remains organized. Thank you for watching, and may your projects always be well organized and successful.